But have a dream, have a desire to fulfill that dream. We have all the reasons to do it. The company is giving us these tools, but it is within us on how eager we are and how really hungry we are to achieve our dream. So the action that we put into it every single day, maybe the challenges that we are facing every now and then, but those are part of our journey. We cannot be called successful if we don't go through to any kind of challenges along the way. Be the master of your own action. Be the master of your own success. And I'm sure having this dream will lead us to success.